Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to be doing a quick intro into tearing fabric as opposed to cutting it. First, we're going to start by marking where on the fabric we want to tear it. Then we're going to snip at our mark a little bit beyond the selvage. Now comes the fun part. We're going to take both sides and we're just going to pull them apart and rip the material. Once you reach the end, you may be able to rip through the selvage, otherwise you're going to need to take a pair of scissors and just snip the remaining bit. If you have torn one side of your fabric, make sure to tear the other side to make sure that both sides are parallel all the way along the piece. Tearing helps to save time if you are cutting a very long piece of fabric. It also ensures that you're going in a straight line if you have trouble cutting with scissors. This works best for woven cottons. Pretty much anything that's marketed as a quilting cotton will work well for it, but you can also use this technique with other woven fabrics such as velvets or occasionally even some fake furs that have a fabric backing to them. And that was a quick intro into ripping fabric. I hope you found this video helpful. For more sewing tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.